Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I want to talk about how to actually restart again when you have been pulled to your old pattern or old identity or to any old habit. How to again actually start it. Yes, it is very important to start again, but it is always very important to start in the correct way. So yes, our mind and our nervous system will try to pull us back because our mind and our nervous system is used to our old pattern, old identity for years. So you can't just think like, oh, in a click, like you will change, you'll go to your higher version. No, you will fail many times. This is the harsh truth that you will fail many times. You will go back to your old pattern many times. You will go back to your old identity. You have to actually fight with yourself only to go back to go towards your higher version. You have to fight with your old self. And in the starting of my journey, when I failed many times, I started again. But when I failed, I used to cry for like 2 3 days. I used to blame myself. I used to judge myself. I used to call myself a failure, a loser. And then after crying for 2 3 days, when I'm like, okay, I'll start again, then I try to be the perfect version again from the next day. So this is actually the wrong way to start it. Yes, starting is very important again after going back to your old pattern, but it is also important that you start in the correct way. So the first thing is, when you go back to your old pattern or any habit or loop, the first thing you need to do is not blame yourself. Don't blame yourself, because yes, we blame ourselves. We call ourselves like you are a loser, you can't do anything. No, don't stop loving yourself just because you failed once. Just accept yourself even if you have failed. Love yourself even if you have failed. Just don't say harsh things. Just try to understand that why you went back to your old pattern. It is obviously because our mind and our nervous system is used to that old pattern, and sometimes they pull us back and we get pulled and we go back to that identity. And it is okay. It's just because we are used to these habits, used to this pattern for years. And so when you get aware of these things and you just don't blame yourself, don't criticize yourself, you don't attack on yourself, but you actually accept it, you give yourself love, you give yourself this understanding that it's okay, you will feel a lot of relief at the very awareness. When you say these things to yourself, you will see that you are feeling a lot of relief. So this time when I felt like I was being pulled towards my old self, old identity, I just, I'm like, oh, okay, am I being pulled towards my old identity? This awareness came, and I just took 2 3 deep breath, and I just say to myself, it's okay, it's just my nervous system trying to pull me. But it is important for me that now I don't choose to go back to my old identity, but choose to go towards my higher self. When you get this awareness that this is actually your mind and your nervous system, you actually don't get pulled by your nervous system. You don't get pulled towards that old identity, first of all, when you get this awareness. But in the starting of the journey, this awareness doesn't come immediately. Like when you feel like you are being pulled, sometimes you go to your old habits and then you realize that you have went back to your old habits. Like for me, in the starting of my journey, after reacting to my parents in a bad way, I realized that I got actually pulled by my old habit. And then what it is important to do is not to blame yourself, but to still love yourself, still accept yourself. And after that, you can just try to understand, try to meditate or take relax, take some rest, and just start small. The second mistake I did was, I was like, okay, when at the night I feel like, oh, from tomorrow I'll start again, and from morning till night again I start with all the daily routines. Like from morning, days I'll do this, evening I'll do this, afternoon I'll do this, night I'll do this. I have this proper schedule, and I'm like, I'll try to be perfect from the next day. That was the biggest mistake, because our mind just got pulled. Our mind is just trying to process all the things, and you were saying now that go to this perfect version again. No, just start small. Maybe next day when you are starting again, just do like 10 minutes of journaling, or just you can do 10 minutes of meditation, whatever you feel like. You can affirm for 10 minutes. Just start small. Don't try to be this perfect and productive the next day itself. Just start slow. So when you will start again slowly with one step at a time, you will feel like you are more calmer, you are able to do it more nicely, and you will be able to be consistent. This was actually the biggest mistake also I did, for which I was not able to be consistent, is that I have this long meditation schedule of like 2 hours. I kept like 2 hours of meditation. I included EFT, hoponopono, like deep breathing, and so many other stuffs. And when you start it, your nervous system actually will feel like so much, it's so much for me, it's so much uncomfortable for me. You have to make your nervous system feel safe, like slowly, like one step at a time. Today if you are doing journaling, for after some days you add affirmation, after some days you add EFT, after some days you add hoponopono, like slowly, step by step. Because at once, if your nervous system and your mind says you are trying to change so instantly, like in a click, you are trying to put so many schedules, so many things in your daily routines which you are not used to. Because when we do these practices, we go in a higher frequency, and your nervous system, your mind is not used to that higher frequency, and then obviously your nervous system and your mind will more try to pull you back. So this is also one important thing to understand. So this time, if you feel like you have been pulled towards your old self, notice one thing. Are you adding so many practices, and you are doing a lot of stamps, like in your manifestation techniques also, you are doing visualization, affirmation, scripting, everything. You don't need to do so many things. You can just do one thing, and you can do it with you know with a lot of focus. It is it, it it will work. You don't need to do so many things. This was also the mistake that I did. I used to do so many things. I used to do scripting, I used to do visualization, affirmation, so many things. But now I only do visualization. I don't do the other stamps, because it feels like a heavy thing, like, oh, I have to do so many stamps to do. There is another type of stress in the mind that I need to do so many things. So notice that, are you putting so many practices and rituals in your daily routine? Or you can do one thing one day, one thing at one day, and the next day you can try affirming, third day something different. I think that also will work. But try to keep less practices and exercises on your daily routine. This is also you need to understand. And also you need to understand that it is okay to go back to your old pattern. You are learning, you are just in the starting of your journey, and it is okay to do mistakes. You are not a bad person, you are not a failure, you are not a loser just because you went back to your old patterns. So that's all what I had to say. And this time, when I felt like I was going to my old pattern, and when I got this awareness, instantly, I don't know, some I means that thinking, that pulling towards my old identity went somewhere. And I was like, okay, that from the next day, I felt so active, energetic again, and I started my schedules, everything again. So it happens sometimes, and still it happens to me, like after this 3 years of this self-growth journey. But it is important to know that yes, it is okay to go back to your old pattern. Don't blame yourself, don't think or criticize yourself, but accept yourself just the way you are. I talked about this in my self-love video recently I posted. It is very important to accept yourself, love yourself just the way you are. You are just in this journey, you are here to grow, evolve, not be the perfect version. You are here to grow, to progress, and this is actually the growth. When you get this awareness, when you just this time when you get pulled, you don't blame yourself, but you accept yourself, and you get aware, and you say yourself that it is okay to go back to your old pattern. I still love you, I still accept you. This is also a progress. So that's all what I had to say for this video. I hope I was able to make you explain. make you understand. Sorry, I was able to make you understand. So that's all for today, my girls. I hope we all grow, and bye bye for now. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.